and take a look at the V-bit carving tool. Here we have a created sign, which is from a poster. I'm just going to select all of my vectors and come to my toolpaths tab. Now what I want to do is area clearance all of this away, but put a chamfer around the edge of my text, around the edge of all of my artwork itself to make it really stand out. So I'm going to open the V-bit carving tool. Now with the V-bit carving tool open, I'm using my selected vectors, and I'm going to select a carving tool, scroll down and use my 90-degree angle. It's quite a common tool. And I'm going to use a roughing tool. Now I'm using the roughing tool so the V-bit tool doesn't have to do all the hard work. The roughing tool will clear the majority of the area away for me, and the V-bit tool will go around afterwards. So if I just calculate this, we're going to see that if I zoom in, first of all the area clearance end mill tool's gone in, and then the V-bit tool has just gone around and profiled around my design afterwards. If I open the simulation control and select the play button, first of all we're seeing the toolpath that's being created by my end mill tool and the places that it's clearing within my design. Coming up to the text area, and then once that's all been completed, we'll see our V-bit carving tool going around the rest of the design. So this saves a lot of time because it doesn't rely upon the V-bit carving tool to just chunk out or remove the majority of the material itself. It's a two toolpath strategy. So I've only done it to a shallow depth of 5 millimeters. So we can see our cutting here. And then once that's done, as mentioned, we'll then run the V-bit carving tool. The other thing to notice is that because this has been done in multiple step downs rather than in one straight step down, we can see that we've been left with these steps to allow our V-bit carving tool to clear out the rest of the material. So it's allowed for or compensated for the angle of the V-bit carving tool. Now that the end mill tool's finished, we can see the shape of our V-bit tool and we can select play on that and watch how it cuts round our design and goes to the areas that are required. So I'm just going to speed this process up to watch it fly all around our design and clear up the finishing areas for us. So this is the V-bit carving tool with integrated area clearance. Now we have our finished design of our artwork with our chamfered edges on.